Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2023 Rivian R1S, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. The link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the entire lens. So just apply Slip Solution throughout the entire headlight. And once you finish applying Slip Solution, grab a clean microfiber towel and remove all the contaminants that the lens may have. And then once we're done prepping the headlight, we could start with the installation. So once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Just apply Slip Solution to this middle section of the headlight first, and then apply Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align it from one end first. So just make sure it covers up to the edge here, and it should be the same on this end. Once you have it aligned, all we need to do is start tacking it down. So just apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and grab your squeegee and just start tagging it down. So we're going to focus with this flat area first. Once we secure the middle section, then we work away on the top and on the bottom. So just make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film on this section. And once this whole section is tacked down, just continue on working your way until you reach to this end. So you can lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath it, make sure it stays aligned, and then apply Tack Solution on top and just start tacking everything down. So once you tack down this whole middle section here, now we could work our way to the top. So just use your squeegee and remove all the solution that's trapped on the top area of the film. And then once you remove all the solution, do the same on the bottom, and then we're going to come back and apply heat to seal the entire film. So before we move on to the next installs, make sure to seal the entire film. So just apply Tack Solution, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat all over the edges of the film. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So just take your time doing this whole process, and then once we're done with this, we can move on with the next piece. So when it comes to installing the tint on this section of the headlight, all we really need to do is just apply a little bit of Slip Solution on both the lens and the adhesive side of the film, and just make sure you align it on the top edge of the headlight here first. Once it's aligned, everything should just fall into place. So just make sure the top area is covered. Make sure everywhere here is aligned. Once you have it aligned, just apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and just start tagging it down. Secure the top area first, and then just work your way to the bottom section. And then once we're done tacking everything on the headlight, we're going to seal it with heat. That way it doesn't lift over time. And to remove these small fingers that you see on the edges, just apply heat to remove them. So before we apply heat, just make sure you remove all the solution underneath the panel, so there shouldn't be any bubbles. And now just apply Tack Solution, heat, and then we can seal everything. And then once we're done, we move on to the last piece. So for the last section of the headlight, same process, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Start by aligning it right on the edge here. So make sure you go up to the edge here. That way it covers this side, stays flat, and all we have to do is just stretch the film up to this edge. So make sure to lift the film and apply a good amount of tack solution underneath the film and on top. Keep it aligned right on the edge. Once you have it aligned on the edge, grab your squeegee and start tacking down this entire section here. And you want to tack down a good amount, that way when we stretch the tint, this section of the film doesn't shift. So just make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath this section. One thing you can do to help the adhesive activate faster is applying heat on this area and then tacking it down. Okay, once we secured this section, now we can stretch the film to reach to that end. And then we'll come back and apply heat to seal this edge here, but first we need to secure here. So all you need to do is apply a little bit of tack solution, do a light stretch until it reaches the edge, hold it in position, and then apply tack solution all over the film. And as you're holding it, with your other hand, we're just going to start tacking down the entire film. So make sure you just hold it and tack it down. And that's pretty much it. And now the last thing to do is to seal the entire edge. So make sure you seal here and all around. And then once we're done sealing, you would repeat the same process that was done for these two to the other end. And then once you're done, we will come back and post heat the entire headlight. So to seal the top edge, all you need to do is apply tack solution, use your heat gun and microfiber towel, go all around and seal the edge. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tint. So just apply tack solution all over the section of the headlight. And once you finish applying tack solution, you would then grab your heat gun and start applying heat throughout the entire panel that was worked on for the headlight. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that may be trapped around the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, go through each section of the lens, and once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Rivian R1S. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.